What's up, everybody? Tim here again. I'm gonna do a little product review. Recently someone reached out to me and asked me if I would try some LED backup lights in my truck. I already put the bigger, brighter bumper lights in, but my regular backup lights are still just the old school bulbs. So these I got. Let's see if I can get a good shot of these. There you go. They got LEDs on top and on the sides. They were sent to me free, so we'll try them out and see how they work. I mean, they might be all right. They might be worth the crap. It might be junk, and I don't know. Who cares? We'll try them out. They were sent to me free. I didn't buy them. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pop my tail light off and try these out. So on the Nissan Frontier, for those that are not mechanically inclined, tail light is only held on with that screw and similar screw on the bottom down here. Take those two off and the whole lens will pop out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So these are either a Phillips screwdriver or, like everything on this truck, a 10mm socket. So I like to use the socket because it's a little bit easier. Break them loose. Drop your bolt seal. Go ahead and open our package up. Alright, that bolt there. So I'll just a little pop. Oh, there's one bulb. I'll take that one out. Just let that hang right there. Here's the old bolt. And for anyone that had questions on how I got the power to the lights down here in the bumper, I just brought the power wire up and I tied it into the wire right here. Pop that one out. Pop that one in. And we're not going to start the engine, but we're going to start it up and put it in reverse and see the light come on. Make sure it works. Very bright. Now we'll take this and see if I can do this where you can see it. And they just fit in here and they just twist. Just make sure you twist it all the way. And you tuck your wires back in. Line your tail light back up where it's supposed to go. There it goes. You don't want to over tighten these things because you break your light. It's just plastic. Snug them up by hand. And now I just want to give them a quick little snug with this. That's good there. That's good there. All right, we'll turn it on one last time and see it light up that. Pretty bright. Have to test them out at night. All right, move the camera over to the other side and do the same thing over there. Same thing, top bolt. Just break it loose. You ain't gotta ratchet the whole way. Just break them loose so you can spin them out by hand. You gotta kind of, the light has little things that go in that way, so you gotta kind of pull it back a little bit to get it to pop loose. There it goes. See that little socket right there? This piece right here slips into there and kind of locks it. Dangle that there. Pop that bulb out. Pop that one in. Go ahead and start it back. There it goes. All right. Line that back up like that. Back into place. A little snug. And a test. All right, and it works. All right, and that's all there is to changing the bulbs out in the back of the Nissan. It's the same for the turn signals or the brake light and tail light bulbs. Just those two screws, pop the little socket out, change the bulb, put it back on. Now tonight I'll have to test them and see how bright they are. Now, obviously, you've seen these right here are on. These are pretty bright, so I'm gonna have to cover these up to kind of block out the lights so I can see how much light these are actually putting out. And then I'll try to get it on video on how much light I get from all the lights at night. Because I do a lot of driving at night, a lot of backing up at night, hauling trailers. Pays to be able to see. Anyway, hope it was beneficial for anyone that's wanting to put lights on their trucks or something like that that hasn't done it yet. And yeah. Stay safe and have fun outdoors. Later.